Karnataka government has withdrawn the general consent to the CBI. What do we mean by general consent? When CBI want to investigate in the Karnataka state, the CBI should take the permission of the state government present in that state. That is simply called the general consent. This has been possible through Section 6 of the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946. Through this, general consent clause comes. So generally, when there is not good terms going on between the central government and state governments, the general consent will be withdrawn by many of the states, like West Bengal, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and then now the Karnataka government has withdrawn the general consent. When it comes to CBI, it should take the permission of state government continuously when they want to investigate the cases in their own states. Now, how the CBI has been formed? Santanam Committee has started. The CBI has given the recommendations, and it draws the powers from the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act. And it is under Ministry of Personnel. It is a non-statutory body. So CBI is the main core organization of the investigation agency.